Cool. All right. What's your name, bro?
Anthony Ramos.
Anthony Ramos? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell us a little bit about your truck, Anthony.
I've had the truck since I was probably about 17 years old. This is my second restoration on it. This last go round was a frame off. Did it all at my shop there in Anson. Got a shop, Butterbean's Busted Knuckle Garage. Just started doing frame off restorations on old vehicles. Like I said, put a little LS 6.0 in it, 4L60E transmission, Viper GTS Blue Pearl paint.
Man. How'd you do y'all did all the motor work and everything?
Yes, sir, everything. Me and my brother-in-law.
Man. That's intimidating. That really is. How long did it take for the build?
About a year and a half.
About a year and a half?
Yes, sir.
And you've, I said you have your own shop, right?
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
All right, I'll get all that in the descriptions and whatnot. What kind of wheels are these?
US Mag.
US Mag. Okay. Let me take a quick walk around. If there's anything else you want to point out to us, I mean, or you can be like me, mine, it speaks for itself.
Yeah, pretty much. Open that door and let you get a good look.
All right. All right, I appreciate that. Woo, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Now, who did your interior?
I bought the seat covers from Cat Skin, and cobalt blue, and I can't remember the white color. I built the center console, everything. All the chrome work was done by a buddy of mine in Mesquite, Carlos Ortiz.
Carlos Ortiz.
Carlos Chrome Shop in Mesquite, and he's got an engraving place. They also do lowrider stuff. It's
right.
a pretty cool place.
You don't see a lot of that engraving anymore. I see it trying to make a comeback.
Viper GTS Blue Pearl. Viper GTS. Okay.
How long did it take you to do the build?
About a year and a half.
A year and a half.
Yes, sir.
Now, did it start out as just base everything, or
all original frame, original everything on it's original. All original body parts except for this front fender on this side. Everything else is all original.
Okay, we'll take a quick walk around on it real quick.
When I was a kid, my dad bought one of these brand new. I remember going to these.
Say, folks, this is one clean machine. How much do you think you have invested in it? I mean, you don't have to tell us, but I mean, if you have a round figure.
Probably about 90,000. Motor from every nut, bolt, wheel, trim, accessory, interior, motor, transmission, everything. Pretty close to 90.
See, kids, if you want to build like this right here, you have to save that lunch money. So, but I'll tell you what, brother, I appreciate you stopping, chatting with us.
Thank you.
I said I'll get you all the info, and thanks for taking the time.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.